My views on alcohol is I go out 2-3 times a week, and every single time I go out I drink quite a lot. I drink sambuca, jelly shots, I drink a lot of shots, and I always get very, very drunk. I think alcohol is good and it's cheaper than drugs.
I definitely think the age should be raised to 21. I've lived in California this last 23 years, and in Los Angeles in California raising the age to 21 did make a significant difference. I sound like prohibitionist, and I'm not. I do enjoy a drink, everything in moderation, but I think here, especially in the northwest, it is completely out of hand, and I do hope the government do something about educating people and bringing in stricter laws and penalties.
I only ever binge. I never drink socially. I just drink to get drunk.
I think it's a good if you can control yourself.
Alcohol is lovely. Yeah. It gives me more confidence. Definitely.
I think it's the correct age, and I mean, people say there's problems, but I think maybe they just need to find better things for young people to do.
Yeah,
They're
like
just
there's
bored.
nothing actually for young people to do. Like, you can go to the cinema how many times a week, and it costs money.
I think it's the government's fault.
Yeah, I blame the government.
I think that the main problem is our supermarkets, people at Asda, Tesco's, and also a lot of local off licences are selling it really cheap. The main responsibility that we have is to keep people safe when they're in our environment, and there's no better environment for people to drink alcohol than in a pub. Youngsters drinking in our town is not such a big problem, especially in my trade, because, like I said before, we can keep a good control on it. I think campaigns like this are good because it gets people's awareness. There's a lot of young people out on the streets today, and they're learning more just from knowing about it, I think.
My name is Kenneth Weaver. I'm an alcoholic. Drink ruins a lot of people's lives. It's very stupid to drink. I've been drinking 15 years, and this is the first time after 43 weeks I've no drink, and I need a drink now, but I won't do it.
I'd actually had alcohol 4 days instead of 2 that I automatically thought I had, which worried me. And unfortunately, socialising often involves drinking or going to a pub or someone coming round with a bottle of wine. I don't know why it's associated with socialising so much. It's kind of worrying to drink so much.
So there's always those kids on the street corners drinking. And if you're walking around late at night, if you've been out with friends or been to see someone, it's always a worry when you're walking back. That's probably my biggest thing about it.
I have a son-in-law who's an alcoholic, and he's had cirrhosis of the liver and quite a few seizures all through alcohol. Young children, when I see them on television, I see how drunk they are and how many week after week is admitted into hospital. I think it's just heartbreaking.
Hi, my name's Lydia Collins. I'm 18 and I'm from Penrith. I think that drink nowadays is proper overrated. Too many people drink and go out and do ridiculous things, and underage drinking has got completely off the scales. Too many people are getting out, getting wasted and just drinking for the fun of it, and that's not the point of it. It is a drug. You can get addicted. I don't go out and I don't enjoy going out because I don't like drinking in town because of everybody gets drunk and everybody gets clingy, and I just feel unusual and I don't feel comfortable and I don't feel confident, so I won't do it. I'd rather have a glass of wine at home with my mum watching a film or something. And I know that's not normal for an 18-year-old, but if I don't feel safe, then I'm not going to put myself in danger.
And what do you think about alcohol?
Okay, alcohol is not the best thing.
Definitely not.
No.
You get drunk, you do things that you don't want to do, you don't remember what you've done. Next day you think, what the heck have I done?
Yeah, and isn't it a bit scary when people just get, totally pissed out of their heads and they don't know what they're doing? So, I don't know, I don't quite get why it's so fun to lose control.